Good morning. Today we are shopping at Aldi first, and then we're going to go to H-E-B. It's raining outside, so clearly we're not going to get any footage in front of the Aldi sign. Hey, good morning. So today we went shopping. I traditionally will start out at Aldi, and then I will go to a supplemental store depending on what it is I need. My two supplemental stores ideally are going to be H-E-B, which here in Texas is a super grocery store. Think Central Market, Whole Foods. They have a ton of variety. You can find all the herbs and spices you're really looking for, and they could be fresh, especially if they're not necessarily in season. So H-E-B is my go-to. I love heading to Burleson, just straight down I-35 from Fort Worth, and I can get everything at Aldi. The things I cannot get, I get at H-E-B. So I bought everything I need for a roast because we are getting ready to do a roast for Easter. Actually going to be for food prep, but I've been getting a lot of requests for the recipe. It's a great recipe for Easter, great recipe for Mother's Day, and we have a cookbook coming out soon on how to cook instinctively with a Sunday roast. So I'm going to unbox kind of the groceries. To let you know, I did buy some supplemental groceries. I'm going to do a cucumber mint drink. I'm going to do I did a strawberry milk, basically homemade strawberry milk with a whole lot less sugar. And then I did grab some Gouda because I am thinking about making like a cheese asparagus thing, maybe cheese green beans next week. So shopping a little bit early. When I added up everything that I spent today for the roast, it came out to just under $22.50 by shopping at Aldi and then at H-E-B. Considering it's enough food for a family for a week, that's not a bad setup. So here we go. Here's what we got. I'm gonna start out with the stuff that I got at Aldi. And if you guys aren't sure about Aldi, check it out. Aldi is owned by the same company that owns Trader Joe's, so it's worth it. Cucumbers for that cucumber drink I told you about. I did get a cabbage because it's a great filler, great way to get additional fiber. I'm gonna make a Thai peanut cabbage slaw thing. Sliced almonds to garnish because you always want things to look nice. It makes it more appetizing. I've got mushrooms for the roast. We're gonna break these up and throw these in the base, and I'll teach you how to do that a little bit. Spring onions, you can cook with normal onions. I like spring onions. When they're around, I use them. Celery, because what is considered a classic American roast actually has some roots in French cooking, and I'm going to kind of show you what those are as I'm making all of this. Asparagus, I'm going to do a crispy asparagus. These guys need to be washed. And Gouda. And my umbrella, because it is in fact raining today. So that's the first bag. This is the bag that came from H-E-B. So I went to H-E-B second to buy the supplemental items I needed. By far the most expensive item was the ground chuck, which is about $9 and something. I could have gotten a larger one, but I got just one person. So I got a nice, I like these potatoes that are the softer skin. When I'm doing a roast, I want to use at least one medium-sized potato because that starch is going to go into all of that moisture, which we'll talk about. It's going to help make it thick. And then once you pull the meat, after the meat's rested, you have to let it rest. After you pulled that out with all the vegetables, you can then reduce down all that liquid that's left in there and turn it to a beautiful gravy. The starch from the potato helps that thicken up, and you don't have to start adding flour or other supplemental things. And then just traditional parsley, flat leaf parsley for garnish. For the cucumber mint drink, I did of course buy mint, like I talked about. H-E-B has herbs. Aldi does from time to time too, but it's not a consistent thing. To let you know, the business model for Aldi is kind of amazing. It is still that umbrella of Trader Joe's, so they have amazing quality food for really, really cheap. But instead of being a price club where you have to purchase a membership, they look at the top 200 items that are purchased in a zip code, and that's what they fill into that store. So if there's a part of your town that you can go to that maybe has a higher Asian population, sometimes you can get some really amazing tropical fruit at that zip code Aldi. Same goes for any other demographic. Learn your neighborhood, learn what you can get, where you can get it, and take advantage of that with Aldi. It's a wonderful thing. There's amazing produce out there. So I got a basic chuck roast. Chuck roast, you want to look for specific things when you're doing a roast. If you look, the fat is kind of evenly marbled throughout. It's not chunks over here, nothing over here. You want a good even marbling because this is a slow cook meal and you want that fat to render down, but it also keeps this juicy. Now we're gonna actually start putting everything together here in a little bit in another video, but I just wanted to go over all this with you. All of this, minus of course, I already subtracted the cucumbers, the mint, the cabbage, and the cheese. It's $22.43, I think is what it came out to be. Now, I'm gonna put carrots in there. I purchased carrots at Costco. I did pickle these guys, so I'm gonna pull them out, rinse them off, and then they're gonna go in as well. And then I'm gonna use olive oil because when you're cooking, acid and fat go really well to bring out natural flavors that are in what it is you're cooking. So we'll use olive oil. The brand is Terra Delissa. I have no idea if I'm saying that right, but I'll have a link for them in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe. What I would love to hear from all of you is what types of things you want me to cook. I can go through and purchase, show you where I purchase, how much it costs. Because I do meal prep in addition to like date night dinners, it's great information to see how much you can get away with for an entire week's worth of food. If you can save money doing meals once a week, why not? Thank you, like and subscribe. Look in the description below for ingredient lists, for cookbooks that are coming up, any additional information, and please tell us what it is you want us to cook in the future. Thanks, have a great day.